that I've been talking a lot about various countries and their cultures. Well, today I'm going to be introducing a subscription box called Learnocrate. This has helped me learn so much about different countries and their cultures, and it comes with STEM activities and hands-on DIY projects to do. This keeps me off the screen, so Mama gets really happy. My first crate is Germany. I'm going to be revealing this box, so let's get started. I am now unboxing this lovely crate, starting with the welcome envelope. It says welcome home, and do you know who they are? They're my travel companions, Oscar and Eva. So basically, this is a world book. So when we get this crate, it's called the Geo Crate. We can paste our stickers here that we get. I think they're here. Yes. So since this is the Germany crate, you get the Germany flag, a passport sticker, a map marker, and a collectible. Introducing the continents. This also speaks a little about the continents. And yes, here's Asia, and it talks about the highest, biggest, lowest, and longest. So basically, these are fun facts, and they're really interesting. Now, the map. It's huge. When you get your crates, you can pin the place that you've explored. So now that I've explored Germany, I can pin it in the map. Next, you have a complimentary passport. You can stick your passport stickers here, and it gives you information of all the places that you've explored too. So basically, this is an introduction to the country Germany. It says Guten Tag, which is hello in German. So these are facts about Germany. And here we have, the travel chronicles of Oscar and Eva. Basically, these are the places to visit in Germany. This is the new Schornstein Castle. This is the one that we see in all of the Disney movies. Here it talks about the Grimm brothers, World War II, and the Skerplattler dance. There are dance steps at the back, so you can learn it. Pretzels. Now who doesn't love food? Here you have steps to make your own pretzels. Isn't that lovely? Next we have build and race a rubber band powered car. I will be building this car and sharing my experience with you guys. What do we have here? Build your own cuckoo clock. Isn't that lovely? And lastly, this one's for the mommies so that us kids don't make a mess. Fun fact, did you know that I am now a global citizen? Did you like the unboxing of the box? I'm sure you did. Wondering if you want to buy it for yourself? Then go to learnocrate.com and get a subscription now.